So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 560, subarrays sum equals to k. This is the one of the most important medium level array problem because it introduced the prefix sum and hash map optimization technique. So let's get started. We are given an integer array called numbers and an integer k. Our task is to count how many continuous subarray have same exact equal to the k. Sum exact equal to the k. Suppose number is equals to 111 and k equals to 2. Possible subarrays are 11 sum equals to 2. Second, 11 sum is equals to 2. The total subarrays are 2. The brute force approach solution is generated for all the subarrays, calculate their sum and count the valid ones. But it take O into n square. So we need optimization. The idea is prefix sum. Suppose current prefix sum is sum if there exists is previous prefix sum minus k. Then the subarray continue them as the sum equals to the k. Let's move through the code. What I am trying to say. We create a hash map called MP. This store prefix sum frequency. This handles subarray starting from the index 0. Now sum equals to 0. Store the current prefix sum. Count equals to 0. Store answer. Now travel all the numbers and add current number into the sum. Then check whether sum minus k already exists inside the map. If that means was found a valid subarray. So add the frequency into the count. Finally store the current frequency into the hash map. The time complexity is O into n and place complexity is also O into n. The time complexity is O into n because we travel all the array ones, and the space complexity is O into n because of hash map store prefix sum. So that was the solution for LeetCode 560 subarray sum equals to k.